Good morning, YouTube. Today, we are hopefully going to get this Gardo running again.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and that is Adam. And actually, hiding over here behind the camera is Josh. You're going to be seeing more of him. We're at the Howard, and we have more work to do on the Superleggera because today we hopefully can actually start it back up again.
Oh, it will. I think it's going to happen.
I mean, there's a reasonable probability. We have a few things left to do, so we're going to do that, and hopefully we can hear some incredible Klein exhaust out of this thing and have a new functioning clutch. Real quick, if you want to support us, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. We do appreciate it when you guys do it. And go visit normalguysupercar.com. There you can buy parts and services for your car, including the Klein exhaust that you're going to see and hear in this video. So you know you want one. Klein sells amazing stuff, and we can hook you up on any Klein exhaust. You can use the code NGS10 and it hooks you up with 10% off. So go do that right now. Go buy yourself Klein, and we can get it for any car that Klein makes an exhaust for, not just Ferraris and Lamborghinis. All right, guys, let's see where we're at. Okay, YouTube, here's where we're at. So the Klein exhaust is in for the most part. The only thing that's not on are the exhaust tips. Oil reservoir is back in. Transmission is in. Actuators are in. We still have to put in the air box. So we're not going to do that yet because we need to bleed the clutch. In order to bleed the clutch bleeder is way down there. So obviously you can't do that with a big old air box right here. So we're not going to put that in back yet. We are basically going to top off the F1, well, the E-gear system right there, which just so you know, it has this weird feature where the whole thing kind of like slides out. Look at that. Oh. So that's how you get the cap off. So we're going to put in fluid there, bleed it down here. Once we get it bled, then we can bolt everything else back up and hopefully start the sucker up later today. Oh, that would be amazing. All right, so Lamborghini claims you're supposed to use this Tutela transmission CS speed fluid for the E-gear. But Josh Hill told us that we could use some sort of Pentos.
11S.
No, he said it's not the 11S.
Oh, really?
It's another one, but it's like the 11S.
Is it the 202?
Might be. I can't remember. But anyway, we're going to add this stuff because, well, we have it. But anyway, that shit's like $60, $70 a bottle. It's ridiculous.
Liquid gold.
It is liquid gold. We're like being really careful not to spill it because we're like, that's $5. So we've got the bleeder connected there. You can see that is the bleeder line. We did actually put oil in the oil reservoir just in case we accidentally bumped the ignition or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, it's just an abundance of caution. We're going to connect the battery up. We're going to do what Josh calls a ghetto bleed. Basically, instead of using the computer to just tell it to bleed the clutch, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the ignition forward, let the F1 or the E-gear system prime. We're going to crack the bleeder open, and then we're going to just shift it from neutral to first gear to neutral to first gear to neutral to first gear, and just do it over and over and over until fluid comes out, and probably a decent amount of fluid. Clearly he just plugged in the battery. That scared me. Tell me when you're doing that.
That actually didn't prime for too long.
No, it didn't prime very long. So, but it didn't do the clutch. That was for the actuators.
Oh, right.
So, okay, well, now we're going to kick off the...
Should I jump in there?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you're
a little small and lanky.
Yeah. Oh, I need a light. Try putting the neutral. Or you have to kick the key forward first. Okay, go to 1. Neutral. Just keep doing that over and over a few times.
It won't go to first.
It won't?
Is it because the hood's open?
Oh, god damn it. Yeah, we're gonna have to trick the hood. We're gonna have to plug that in. It goes in, I think, to this guy. That one. Okay. And
Try
then,
it now,
well,
maybe?
no, you gotta click. We need to put something in that. All right, so I just took a screwdriver and clicked off the little mechanism that thinks that the trunk or the hood or whatever, bonnet is down, and we plugged that in, and then Adam is making sure that we get the trunk shut so that we can get this taken care of. But he dropped a tool in there because, yeah, good job, Adam. Reverse?
Yeah.
All right, we'll do reverse then.
Is there a button for reverse?
Yeah, on the left side. Okay. Neutral. Reverse.
That's reverse.
Oh, well, keep doing it. Nothing yet. Oh, I think I see some bubbles. Keep doing it. Just keep doing it over and over. Josh said we would have to do it a lot. All right, give it again. Keep doing it. It's all foamy. Yeah. Just gotta bleed it until it's got some clean shit. Oh yeah.
Now it's going down. Hold on, let me-
Hold on, we gotta add some more. Okie dokie, we bled it and the clutch seems like it's happy. So now we can put back in the air box and kind of do all of this. And yeah, so this is gonna be a lot of crap. Okay, air box is in, getting the wiring harnesses connected, getting all this stuff cinched down. Still have all of the vacuum lines and brake lights, I should say, and bumper and all that crap. And the heat shield over the muffler. So we still have to do that. All right, guys, we've got the Forza Componente B4A controller. So this is gonna enable us to use a remote control and turn the exhaust on and off whenever we want so we can make it loud or quiet. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna install it under here because we want it away from the exhaust. So there's a nice spot right here under this fender, right up on the frame. We're gonna be able to put some double-sided stick tape and zip tie it down, then connect the ground wire, and then the wires will run out to right here. So this guy right here is the actual solenoid for the valves. So this gets spliced in. We'll show you that in a second. All right, muffler heat shield is in place. The actual bumpers are in place. Exhaust tips are in place. We just tested the Forza Componente controller. You want to test things before buttoning it all up. That's a lesson learned there. We could hear the relay clicking, so we're pretty sure it's working. We had to send off to go get some extensions for the vacuum lines to connect those to the valves. So we're doing that real quick. Now we're basically left with taillights, bumper cover, and top piece, fender liners, and then wheels. Dear God, it's almost there.
Getting on the ground today.
Yeah, and then we gotta still top it off with oil.
You'll start today, too.
Yeah, all right, we're on the home stretch. Bumper is basically on. Gotta get the vents on, getting the wheel houses on, and we've even got wheels. Holy shit. It's gonna be nuts. Oh my God.
3 more screws.
Is it literally 3 more screws?
1, 2, and I gotta. This is not the right size.
Oh man, we're almost there. Finally gonna hear this gloriousness. Oh shit, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to hear this climb.
It is still on blocks.
Yeah, we can't drive it forward really.
I know.
But it's on the ground-ish. It's on the thing that's on the ground. There we go.
Ground adjacent.
It's ground adjacent. Oh yeah, here we go.
I don't know if I want to stand here either. I guess I'll plug my ear. Make sure it goes to neutral.
It was in neutral when I turned it off.
All right. Oh God. Let the secondary air go first.
Ready? Hit it.
That's nasty. Sounds good though. God, it sounds good.
It smoked for a while, didn't it?
Yeah. They always smoke for a little bit when they're brand new. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it smoking like right there. Look at it.
You don't get that very long.
You see it smoking literally right there.
It's already starting to turn that darker color too.
Yeah. That's only 2,500? Jesus. Go up to 4. Go for it. Do a big rev. Give it more than that. That's what we want. Do it again. Oh, yeah. Do it again.
Holy shit, that's awesome. Oh my God, that climb sounds so good. All right, YouTube, I'm pretty satisfied with that. That Klein sounds epic. Now we just need to get the clutch tuned, or clutch position sensor and all that calibrated. And once that's all set, she's ready to drive again. So we need the computers to do that. We need Josh. So unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to do that in this video. We'll have to do it in the next one. And then we get to hear what this thing sounds like on the road, under load. It's going to be glorious, absolutely glorious. So you guys should probably hit the subscribe button because that's gonna be awesome. So you know you wanna see that, so please do that. And of course, go visit normalguyssupercar.com. There you can buy exhausts like this Klein exhaust. Use the code NGS10. It'll save you 10% off every single Klein exhaust we have, along with some other stuff. That's gonna do it though. This car is awesome. I can't wait to see this thing. It's so good. And by the way, yeah, it's already sold. So those of you that wanted it, well,
Womp womp.
too late. It's gone.
Bad trumpet noises.
That's gonna do it for this video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna be doing a lot more cool car stuff, so you're gonna wanna stay tuned.
I don't have a mic on, so you can't hear me.
It'll be 7,000 of awesome, 7,000 RPMs of awesome. How about that?